What's up guys, Brian with SoCo Customs, and today we've got a very special build for you. This customer came all the way from Texas, drove his truck up here so that he could see the shop and he could get his truck lifted by SoCo Customs, yours truly, and we couldn't be more excited. This customer was going through our YouTube channel and saw a build that he absolutely loved. It was a brand new TrailBoss that we sent up on the 4-inch rough country kit. We also upgraded it with the Vertex shocks. The Vertex shocks are probably the biggest bargain here in the aftermarket right now. You get fully adjustable coilovers at a fraction of the price of a lot of the other companies out there, and they are absolutely awesome. We sent this truck up on the 4-inch kit. As I mentioned before, basically this is the 6-inch kit. It will have all the same part numbers as the 6-inch kit. However, since the TrailBoss is up 2 inches from factory, they basically just tell you it's a 4-inch kit that you're going up from the normal TrailBoss ride height. Now this customer wanted to keep his factory wheels. Chevy has really stepped up their game on the OE wheels market, especially as we get into these purpose-built off-road or more off-road focused OE vehicles. So we use spacers so that the customer could retain the factory wheels and still get the clearance from the kit, still get the required offset. The spacers are a 2-inch spacer, and then of course we wrap these wheels in a 35-1250 R18. These are the Klever RTs. We are huge fans of these, obviously. These are an aggressive tire. They kind of border on the mud tire range, but we are getting great range out of these, great mileage out of these, and none of our customers really have any complaints about them. These are another one of the best bargains in the aftermarket, so definitely give us a shout. And if you want a SoCo build of your very own, give us a shout. We're gonna bring you into the shop. We're gonna sit you down in our comfy chairs. We got 55-inch screens up on the wall. Josh can run through it with you. You can pick out every single aspect of your build: lift kits, lowering kits, wheels, tires, any accessories that you might want to add to your vehicle to make it your very own. So give us a shout. I will put the number below. And for those of you that are out of state but want a SoCo build of your very own, come on, take a vacation. Maybe trailer your motorcycle up here, explore our mountains while we build your truck. We would love to have you. Cheers, y'all.